Hi guys, today we're going to make a classic comfort dish, creamy tomato soup. First we need to cut our celery, carrot, onions, and a few garlic cloves that are smashed with a knife. Let's start with building the flavor in our soup by cooking our garlic in olive oil. Keep your heat on medium-low to make sure that you don't burn the garlic. Once the garlic is nice and golden brown, we can take it out and add in our other vegetables. Season them with salt and pepper and cook them until they're golden brown. Now we can add our tomato paste and cook it for a few minutes. This is going to take out the bitterness from the tomato paste and make it nice and sweet. Now for the star of the soup, the tomatoes. You can make this with fresh tomatoes, but if you want to have a consistently great soup, use a good quality Italian canned tomato. They are picked and canned when they're ripe, so you don't need to spend time looking for ripe tomatoes at the store. If you have whole tomatoes like I do, I just crush them with a spoon in the pan. Let the soup simmer for 30 minutes, then we can add in our heavy cream and give it a stir. Now let's add the soup to the blender and puree it until smooth. I like my soups pretty thick, so I leave it how it is, but if you want it a little thinner, you can add chicken stock, vegetable stock, or even water. The last thing we need to do is put the soup back in the pot and add fresh basil. I like to crush it up so you can break out some of the oils before you add in the soup. Don't forget to adjust your seasoning with salt and pepper, and then if it's still a little acidic, put in a pinch of sugar. I like to keep my pureed soups pretty thick so when you're eating it, it almost stands up on the spoon. While the soup is cooking, let's make some garnish for our soup. It's just one ingredient, fresh grated Parmesan, and it has to be fresh grated, you can't use the jarred stuff. Just put the cheese on parchment paper, spread it into an even layer, and put it in a 350-degree oven. Cook it until it starts to turn a light golden color and it's ready. Let it cool down and then you can just break it into little pieces or whatever size you want. These are great on their own as snacks too. If you'd like the recipe for this roasted garlic relish, go to my Instagram at achefandhisspoon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment on what your favorite soup is. See you next time.